Welcome back to My Michigan Garden. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and plant a thumbs up below if you enjoy our content. You're just in time for our August 2025 update. July was super hot and humid with lots of rain. It took us a while to get out and cut back and deadhead the daisies. Today we also removed the plant that we put in this spot 3 years ago that never fit the size or the location. First up is the bed along the driveway. We're zone 6A and this area is dry and sunny. We generally don't water it. This area does need some clean out either this autumn or next spring. We have some volunteers growing where they shouldn't be, and old lily of the valley and spiderwort still coming up, and things that need to be divided like the catnip and the Siberian iris. Here you can see where that plant was that we removed, and that area does need to be filled. Our balloon flowers, Platycodon, always flop over. Can you see the space where I pulled out the Japanese forest grass for the new bed we just put in from our last video? I plan to take some cuttings from the hydrangea next week and try to get them to grow. Our veg garden is in desperate need of a weed. Here you can see the lavender in the back and the curry up front, and both are doing well. The purple cardinal flowers in bloom. Last week I worked on cleaning out the mini pond. No frogs are in there this year, unfortunately. It is a very good year for Rudbeckia, but we've only seen one little caterpillar on our milkweed. You'll note we still haven't done anything with this side bed yard. Maybe in August. We've had so many bird visitors to our feeders this year. That's the 1st of August update. Don't forget to click the thumbs up and let us know in the comments what projects in your garden you are working on this month.